The Rockford Fosgate P1-2X12 loaded enclosure is a tempting choice for anyone looking to add instant bass to their ride. With two 12-inch subs in a custom-tuned box and Rockford's name on it, the package looks like a great deal. But before you buy, here are 5 big warnings to consider. First, the enclosure is massive and not space efficient. It takes up a significant portion of your trunk or cargo area, which becomes an issue in sedans or compact vehicles. If daily practicality matters to you, this setup could quickly become a burden, especially if you frequently haul luggage or gear. Second, the P1 subs inside are entry-level and not built for heavy abuse. While they're rated at 250 watts RMS each, pushing them too hard or pairing them with a high-output amplifier can lead to distortion or premature failure. If you're expecting competition-level output or chest-pounding lows, this setup may fall short of expectations. Third, the enclosure itself is built with decent materials but lacks advanced design elements like internal bracing or premium terminals. It's a basic MDF box with carpet wrapping and port tuning, but it doesn't match the build quality found in more expensive custom enclosures. Over time, vibration and wear may lead to panel flex or sound coloration. Fourth, efficiency is limited. The subs are not particularly sensitive, which means you'll need a capable amplifier just to get solid output. Budget amps or factory systems won't do them justice, and underpowering them leads to poor bass performance. This also puts additional strain on your vehicle's electrical system if not properly matched. Fifth, the sound is more about volume than clarity. The P1-2X12 can get loud, but it's not a precision subwoofer system. You'll hear plenty of boom, but mid-bass control and overall detail are lacking compared to higher-end setups. For bass heads looking to rattle panels, it may suffice, but for audiophiles or those who prefer balanced sound, it will likely disappoint. In conclusion, the Rockford Fosgate P1-2X12 offers convenient bass in a box, but it's far from perfect. Size, efficiency, and sound quality